All right, entrepreneurs, listen up. This is where the rubber meets the road. The business world isn't what it used to be. It's evolving faster than ever before. It's a whole new ball game, and the playing field is digital. The rules have changed, and so have the strategies. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional advertising. The digital age demands more innovative approaches. It's time to level up and embrace the power of digital marketing. This is where creativity meets technology. Think of it like this: the internet is one giant playground, and your customers are swinging from the monkey bars, sliding down the slides, and building sandcastles in the sandbox. They're everywhere, and you need to be there too. You've got to be where they are, engaging with them, providing value, and showing them why your brand is the coolest kid on the block. It's about standing out in a crowded space. How do you do that? Well, you need the right tools and strategies. It's not just about being present. It's about being effective. You need to create content that resonates, target your audience effectively, and make sure your message hits home. And track your results like a hawk. Data is your best friend in this digital landscape. It's about building relationships, not just making sales. Long-term success comes from trust and engagement. So, are you ready to conquer the digital playground? The opportunities are endless if you know how to play the game. Let's dive into some essential strategies that will help you dominate the game. Get ready to transform your business.
Let's face it, we're all busy. You've got a business to run, leads to generate, and customers to keep happy. Who has time for all that manual marketing work? That's where marketing automation swoops in to save the day. Imagine this: emails that send themselves, social media posts scheduled in advance, and personalized messages delivered at the perfect moment. Automation takes care of the repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the big picture stuff. But it's not just about saving time, it's about working smarter. Automation allows you to personalize your marketing efforts at scale, nurturing leads and guiding them through the sales funnel without lifting a finger. Okay, maybe just a few clicks to set it up. So ditch the manual labor and embrace the power of automation. It's like having a team of marketing robots working for you 24/7.
CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, might sound like a mouthful of jargon, but trust me, it's a game changer for any business serious about growth. It's not just a tool, it's a strategy that can transform how you interact with your customers. Think of it as your secret weapon for building lasting relationships with your customers. It's like having a personal assistant who knows everything about your clients. Imagine having a digital Rolodex on steroids, but way more powerful and insightful. A CRM system allows you to store all your customer data in one central location, from contact information to purchase history and everything in between. This means no more scattered notes or lost information. This treasure trove of information empowers you to personalize your interactions, anticipate their needs, and provide exceptional customer service. You can tailor your approach to each customer, making them feel valued and understood. But it's not just about storing data, it's about using it to make smarter decisions. With the right insights, you can optimize your business strategies. A CRM system provides valuable insights into customer behavior, allowing you to identify trends, segment your audience, and tailor your marketing campaigns for maximum impact. This means more effective marketing and better customer engagement. So, ditch the outdated spreadsheets and invest in a CRM system. It's a move that will streamline your operations and boost your efficiency. Your customers will thank you for it, and your business will reap the rewards. Enhanced customer satisfaction leads to loyalty, and loyalty drives growth.
Section 4, chatbots, your 24/7 customer service squad. In today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect instant gratification. They want answers and they want them now. But who has time to sit by the phone or answer emails all day and night? Cue the chatbots. These AI-powered assistants are like having a team of customer service reps working around the clock. They can answer frequently asked questions, provide product information, and even resolve simple issues, all without human intervention. But here's the best part. Chatbots can provide a personalized experience. By integrating with your CRM, they can access customer data and tailor their responses accordingly, making each interaction feel human and relevant. So give your customer service a digital upgrade with chatbots. They'll keep your customers happy, free up your time, and maybe even make you a few sales along the way.
Section 5. Digital assets. Show off your brand's personality. In the vast digital landscape, you need to stand out from the crowd. It's a bustling world out there, filled with countless brands vying for attention. And how do you do that? How do you make sure your brand doesn't get lost in the noise? By creating killer digital assets that capture your brand's unique personality and make a lasting impression. These assets are the visual and interactive elements that represent who you are. Think of your digital assets as your brand's wardrobe. Each piece should be carefully selected to reflect your brand's identity. Just like you wouldn't wear a suit to the beach, you need to choose the right assets for the right occasion and platform. It's all about context and relevance. From eye-catching images and videos to engaging infographics, your digital assets should be diverse and versatile. And interactive content, the possibilities are endless. You can create anything that helps convey your message effectively. But it's not just about looking good. It's about telling your brand story in a way that resonates with your target audience. Your story should be compelling and authentic. Use your digital assets to showcase your brand's values, the principles that guide your business. Highlight your unique selling points, the features that set you apart from the competition, and connect with your customers on an emotional level. Build a relationship that goes beyond transactions. So get creative, think outside the box, and let your brand's personality shine through your digital assets. Innovation and originality are key. After all, first impressions matter, especially in the digital world. Make sure your brand leaves a memorable mark.
Section 6. Social media, your brand's megaphone. All right, folks, let's talk social media. It's not just a place for cat videos and political rants. It's a powerful tool for building brand awareness, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. Think of social media as your brand's megaphone. It's a way to amplify your message, reach a wider audience, and start conversations with potential customers. But it's not just about broadcasting your message. It's about listening, responding, and building relationships. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and show that you're paying attention. Use social media to run contests, offer exclusive deals, and give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at your brand. So, choose the platforms where your target audience hangs out, create engaging content, and use social media to build a community around your brand. Remember, it's called social media for a reason.